Other input devices. Input devices are devices used to input data or information into a computer. An input device component such as scanner, barcode reader, joystick, touchscreen, webcam, microphone. Scanner. Scanner is an input device which works more like a photocopy machine. It is used when some information is available on a paper and it is to be transferred to the hard disk of the computer for further manipulation. Barcode Reader. Barcode Reader is a device used for reading barcoded data, that is, data in form of light and dark lines. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. Joystick. A joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move cursor position on a monitor screen. Touchscreen. The screens are sensitive to pressure. A user interacts with the computer by touching pictures or words on the screen. Webcam. A video camera connected to a computer, allowing its images to be seen by internet users. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in digital form.